Crash safety is a part of Scania's DNA. In addition to the legislation, at Scania we have our own internal crash policy. Our internal crash policy is tougher and also more comprehensive compared to the legislation.
We performed the Swedish impact test to evaluate the survival space in the cab, which has a large influence on the passive safety. We performed this test in addition to the ECE R29 test, which is the basis for the legislation. The main differences between these two tests is that in the ECE R29 you use a new cab for each section of the test, while in the Swedish impact test you have the same cab for all the sections in the test. The first part is the roof load, the second part is the pendulum impact on the A-pillar on the driver's side, and the third is the pendulum impact on the rear wall. These three parts simulates a rollover where the roof gets deformed, the vehicle slides into an object in the ditch, and the cargo hits the rear wall when the vehicle comes to a stop.
The most advanced full-scale crash test that we perform is the rollover test. Each full-scale crash test is the result of careful planning. It can take up to months, even a year, for each test.
Our aim is to perform a rollover test as close to a realistic accident as possible. Our previous tests has been designed to make a rollover with increased steering wheel angle and high velocity. This could, for example, happen when exiting a highway in high speed. Such kind of maneuvers is typical for the long haulage segment, but for this CrewCab model is a little bit different. A typical fire truck has a lower weight, another center of gravity, and is therefore more able to handle critical maneuvers. A more realistic test case for the CrewCab could be it driving down the slope of the road, and that in turn causes the rollover. We identified and simulated a realistic rollover behavior without the need of sending several test trucks to the scrapyard. The results of months of preparations were over in just a few seconds, and the CrewCab was actually drivable after the test. The new safety system with the side curtain airbag contributes to a higher level of safety for our customers. This by reducing the risk of injuries and acting as a barrier to the outside to protect the occupants. In the NTG series, both front and rear occupants in the CrewCab can trust the safety of the new curtain side airbag.
The large combination of different tests for the CrewCab, impact test, static test, sled test and dynamic testing, for example full-scale crash tests, amount to that the CrewCab has been tested with great extent, as the rest of our fleet. This is safety for us and also for our customers, and therefore is safety a part of Scania's DNA.